So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have 1.2 line spacing on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, just go to the top here and just add some text. So I'm just going to type in 1.2 line spacing, just like that, and I will make this quite a bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So I think by default it does 1 or 0.9 line spacing. So simply just press on the text right here, go down to where it says spacing like this. Now, if you want to be precise with it, you can literally go up here and say 1.2. But if you want to make it simple, simply just go. So it's going to be on single, press this, go to 1.2, and it'll make the line spacing between text 1.2 in regards to line spacing. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to have 1.2 line spacing in a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.